In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Create a solid color adjustments layer. Pick this color and click OK. Create new layer. Pick brush and follow the process. Pick Text tool. I'm using this font, and download link in description. Click here and change text color. Then add your letter. Select Move tool. Press Ctrl A or Command A. And click on these icons to center the letter. Press Ctrl D or Command D to deselect. Right-click on text layer and choose Blending options. Choose Inner Shadow and follow these settings. Open second image. Open your image. Now select Move tool, then drag and drop it on main document. Press Ctrl T or Command T to adjust image size and position. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. To select the subject, go to Select menu and choose Subject. Click on Mask icon. Pick Brush. Make sure foreground color is black. And follow the process. Create a new layer and follow the process. And for the final step, add your text. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.